James Wise with Holton Wise here. Today I have something unique. I have a 6-unit apartment building that is going to cost you less than $31,000. Yes, that's right. It's going to be less than $31,000. On top of that, I'm going to show you how you can use the government and delinquent taxes to buy this property with less than $15,000 out of your pocket. Let's dive in. 12010 Union Avenue, Cleveland, Ohio, 44105. If you have not yet read the guide that I put out, it's a comprehensive guide. It's called The Ultimate Guide to Grading Cleveland Neighborhoods. I grade all of the areas in Cleveland on an A to F scale, telling you exactly what you're buying into. Because you're seeing these prices, you're like, whoa, a 6-unit apartment building for under $31,000? Somehow I only have to spend $15,000 of my money to get into this building? What's the catch? There's absolutely a catch, guys. Don't think there's not a catch. And for this particular building, the catch is the condition of the building, but it's also the quality of the neighborhood. This is not something for the novice or newbie investor. This is for a seasoned investor who knows what they're doing. Can extreme value be unlocked here? Yes. So again, click the link to the Ultimate Guide so you know what you're buying. Glad you're back. Now, going forward for the rest of the video, I will assume that you have read the Ultimate Guide to Grading Cleveland Neighborhoods. If you didn't, please do so. The rest of the video isn't going to make much sense if you and I are not on the same page. This is an unfinanceable asset. I actually sent my team into the building to give you guys a complete video tour. Let's take a look at that now.
Piano? Yeah.
It don't matter what they say.
A little paint, a little carpet. Holy
'Cause the strong will rise up anyway. And you're amazed that we're still standing here at all.
Is it safe to go to the second floor?
Yeah, it is. The second floor actually better.
Woo! Got a little raccoon who piece him up.
I'd rather not see him.
Now you found a state of mind that's just enough to paralyze the superstition. Got the best of you. But you never thought we'd last when you thought the sky was sinking fast.
Somebody was partying here.
Right.
What are the positives about this building, John?
It's quiet. You have lots of room for activities.
Now you're waiting for the chandelier to fall.
Bird's nest.
So, completely unfinanceable. As you can see, the building is in total disrepair. You know, everything is broken, everything's gutted out. It's completely uninhabitable. You literally need to do a full renovation of everything. If it can be broken, it is broken. So no bank is going to touch this. And my guy, he needs to get that $30,481.09. But you don't have to bring that all to him. Normally the way it would work, you would pay that amount, and then he would pay the taxes and the closing costs and my commission out of that amount. But what we can do here, since he has delinquent taxes, you could actually assume those taxes and get on a pay plan with the government. So instead of you bringing $30,481.09 to the table, all you need to do is bring $14,900. That's right, under $15,000. For under $15,000, you can buy this asset, and you'll then assume the burden, which is $15,581.09, and you can put yourself on a pay plan with the government. They do not need you to pay all of that up front. You can get on a monthly plan and really stretch this out. You know, the most important thing about real estate is the ability to utilize other people's money. Well, we have an asset here where you can't get a bank loan because it's uninhabitable. We have an opportunity to let the government be the person giving you that money, essentially. Utilize those taxes and the fact that you can get on that long-term tax plan, pocket that $15,000, and you could put that into your renovation budget. This is allowing you to get into an asset like this with half the money you would otherwise need. As you can see, this thing is completely destroyed. A little hard to tell from the video, but the unit mix there, there's 4 2-bedroom apartments and 2 1-bedroom apartments. So in a neighborhood like this, those 1-bedroom apartments, we could reasonably expect to rent those for about $500 a month. So that's $1,000. And then the 4 2-bedrooms, we could rent all of those for probably $600. So 600 times 4, that's $2,400 plus the other $1,000, that's $3,400. So you can get into this asset under $15,000 out of your pocket. You assume the back taxes, and you are going to put a heck of a lot of money into it, obviously. As you can tell from the tour, any and everything needs done. This property is available. It's on the MLS. It's available for showings. So if you are represented by another realtor or buyer agents from all the other brokerages in the Cleveland area, if you're watching this video, everything I touch, I put on the MLS. It's available for showings. Just reach out to me. We can get you in there. You can do a tour. If you do not have a buyer realtor, I can write the contract for you and represent both sides of the deal. If you have general contractors that need to get in, we can get any and everybody into this property. This is a very much what you see is what you get. I mean, this ain't going to be easy. You know, sometimes you have to do a lot of hard work to make money, but the opportunity is there for the right investor. I don't know where else you can buy this kind of square footage for under $15,000 and eventually end up with $3,500 a month in rent. Just know that there are risks, okay? There's going to be, you're going to take 2 steps forward, 1 step back. 2 steps forward, 1 step back. It won't be easy, but money can be made. Not every property's super sexy. Holton Wise started out buying rough, tough buildings just like this, and now look at where we are today. That can be you if you're willing to put in the work and you have a high tolerance for risk. If you'd like to buy this property, again, if you have your own realtor, have them reach out to me. Otherwise, reach out to me on the link below. For more information on investing in real estate in the Cleveland market or just investing in real estate whatsoever, make sure you are subscribed to this channel. We sell one investment property every single day. We send it out to you in an email, so we have a link somewhere on our YouTube page to subscribe to our email chain. You want to get on that and then subscribe to this channel. Oftentimes, if you're watching our YouTube channel, you're seeing the properties before anybody else because we need to film the video, upload it to YouTube, so then we could then upload it to our email list and send it out for those 1 p.m. emails. So if you're on YouTube, you may have seen an opportunity a day or two before everyone else. These properties go quickly. Oftentimes, we will email them out at 1 p.m. and we have sold it by the end of the day. We only work 1 property a day. We're not going to talk to you about our entire inventory. The inventory changes daily. So it's 1 property a day, goes out 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Make sure you're on the YouTube and the mailing list so you have the opportunity to bid on these properties. We're selling money. Everybody likes money, okay? I'm literally over here selling you the opportunity to make more money. Nobody is denying money. So when an opportunity arises and it's in a good investment, there's a line of buyers who want to buy these. Look at the view count. These videos oftentimes get several thousand views, some as high as 20, 30,000 views. There's a lot of buyers. So when you reach out to me, make sure you have your proof of funds or your pre-qualification letters ready. As there's so many of you, I don't have time to answer every question in the world, so we put out a ton of content. If you're not ready to buy just yet, continue following and watch the content. We have everything on this YouTube channel. We have education, we have, market analysis, tips and tricks about the industry. We even have a tenants from hell section where you can see the worst of the worst that can happen to you as a rental property investor. And if you have a question and you haven't even seen it on our content yet, but something you really want, go ahead and watch the Ask James Wise video. In the comment section, drop any question you want with the hashtag AskJamesWise, and we will make a professional video just like this one answering your question. I will answer any and everything about real estate, For more information on my life story, my personal life story, please follow me on my personal Instagram at JamesWiseHWPG. I really like to peel back the layers of my life. I like you to get the opportunity to see what a professional investor, broker, entrepreneur does on a daily basis. The real estate investing is it's an insane industry. It's totally wild. I think it's super entertaining. I love it, but sometimes it is really savage, and I want you guys to see exactly what I go through. Follow that, subscribe to this channel, subscribe to our mailing list. I look forward to hearing from you. Hit the link below to make an offer on this property. Otherwise, I'll catch you on the next video. Go. And just put a link to it below as I don't want to say you, Tom! Alright, ready?
Somebody's partying up here.
Right.
Well, at least they could run out.
Do that. Ah!